What's up, everybody on YouTube, man? Just got in the crib, man. It's a crazy day at work today, man. But just got in the crib, just got that confirmation email. Yes, did just grab a new pair of shoes, just got dropped off, and I'm about to go ahead go see. I honestly don't even know what this shoe is. Like, honestly, I don't. So I gotta go pick it up. About to go see what this shoe is. See y'all in a little bit, man. Y'all already know, man. Just got in the crib from picking up that young package, man. I honestly don't know what this is. Hold on, let me turn this light on. I honestly don't know what shoe this is, so I don't know. I just ordered a bunch of shit, so let's go to the shoe room, check this out, man. What's hood, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy, potato, tomato, and yes, I do go by PM Kicks. And I'm back with another unboxing. I don't know what this is, but I know it's from StockX though. I put a bunch of bids in on StockX. 2 of them got accepted. I think 2 or 3 got accepted, and I think the second one shipped before the first one, then the first one shipped. I don't know, or got accepted or something. I don't know which one this is, but I'm back with a unboxing from StockX, and I'm gonna get straight into it, because I don't know which one this is, and I'm excited to see. Anything I bid on, I want it. So, it doesn't really matter what it is. I know I'm going to like it. What is this? Oh, no. No way. What? Puma box. Wait. What's that with? That wasn't with Puma. What the fuck? What kind of shoe is this? Puma Atmos. Whose shoe is this? This is not my shoe. What the fuck? This is not my shoe. I don't know where this come from. This is not my fucking shoe. I honestly don't know. What? Where does it even come from? Oh! Okay. Okay. Goddamn, this just scared me. This ain't even the StockX pickup. Okay. I did a random cop on Soul Steel, Soul Supremacy. You know, it's all the same shit. I think it was like a $40 total. And then they send you a random shoe that you don't know what silhouette it's gonna be, you don't know what it's gonna be, whatever. And then they just send it to you random. And this is a Puma Atmos Collab. If y'all can see the inside, hold up, let me. Puma Atmos Collab, and I was just so confused. Like, okay. Now I know what these is. I was just lost as hell. I thought this was one of the StockX bids that I did, and I was thinking like, damn, this came fast, but I honestly don't even know what shoe this is. Besides, it's a Puma. And I remember this style of Pumas like a while back. I haven't seen none recently. But I definitely remember this style Puma. I wanted the all black ones. Better late than never, I guess. But yeah, I honestly don't know what the fuck to call this shoe. I forgot. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot. Hold up. It should be on the box. Display Desert Dust. Dark navy ribbon red. Well, these right here. I was just lost as hell, but as you can see, got that desert camo print right there. This right here, premium suede on this little Puma sign right here. Real, for real. This is actually, this suede too. This material is suede. Kind of like a premium feel on there too. The back part, little pull tab area is suede as well. But this is the Atmos sign right here. And on the back of this one is, I think it's like a double collab on Puma. Like a triple collab. Or maybe Atmos just did it all, and then this is what it's based off. Of course, you got the Puma sign on the pull tab. You can barely see that. On the pull tab, of course, you have the disc. You got that translucent Ice Ice Baby bottom on there. I gotta look this collab up. I did not know anything about that. Icy blue on the bottom though. You have like that satin. The satin on the side with that suede right here. Plastic and rubber cage. No, wait. Yeah, plastic and rubber cage all over. Plastic rubber cage. Pull tab for the disc. Still can't see that Puma sign right there. I don't know. Anybody know about these, man? Comment down below if you know about these. Let me know, because obviously I am completely lost on not what it. Goddamn. I'm completely lost. I don't know the collab. I know what the brand and I know the disc things but I don't know the collab. I never heard of it. So comment down below if y'all know this collab, y'all heard of it, cause I haven't, And oh yeah, I forgot. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review whatever I do. Comment down below if y'all know these. If y'all like the pickup, the random pickup from Soul Supremacy. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. And subscribe to join a Playmaker gang. And this is my random pickup, really random. You just pay $40 and they send you a shoe. It can be whatever they want it to be, and they just send it to you. So this was a $40 shoe. It is what it is. Will I do it again? Probably so. Cause I might get these away. These might be a giveaway. It is what it is. And we out this jam, man.